In this video, you're not only going to learn how to drive free traffic to your CPA offers, but you are going to drive a targeted traffic of any tier 1 country of your choice, a traffic that will convert and make you a lot of money on daily basis. And the most wonderful thing about this particular technique is that you only have to do few works and the AI will complete the rest for you. Why I like this method most is not about the AI working for me, but it is all totally free. So all you have to do is pay attention and watch this video from beginning to finish. Do not skip while I show you how you can do the same exact thing I'm doing and make much more money than me. And please, you can consider subscribing to my channel if you find value in what I'm going to share with you. To start, you have to go to your CPA account. I'm using CPA Grip for this demo. If you do not have account, in my channel I have a video on how to create a CPA Grip account. It is easy, it is simple. I will leave the link in the description below. When you have opened your account, then you click on Offer Tools and click My Offer. Then you select any tier 1 country of your choice. In this demo, I'm going to use New Zealand. Then when you select your tier 1 country, then you go to the offers. First, you check for offers that are for all mobiles. Reason why you go for all mobiles is because most people access the internet with their mobiles. So you will want any visitor who click on your affiliate link for it to convert. You check how well is this particular offer performing. How do you know that? You check for anyone that has this green bar here. Those who have green bars are doing well out there, so I will advise you choose anyone with such green bar. In this demo, I'm going to select this particular offer, which is Win iPhone 13 Pro. The next to do is to go to Google's site where we are going to build a landing page for our choosing offer. Just search for Google's site, and when you come into your Google site, click on the blank to build a new landing page. First, you click on this big banner here and delete, then go to the top left side corner and enter the name of your project, which could be anything, but I advise you use a name similar to the offer you are trying to build a landing page for. After this, then double click on the center of the page so that you can click on TT to add text. Here you will add the title of your landing page, which is the same as the name of the offer you are trying to promote. But to be smart, guys, the best thing to do is for you to write a name that is more convincing than the title on the offer. So in this particular demo, I will write Win iPhone 13 Pro this Xmas season. So depending on the offer you want to promote, you will know how to write more convincing title than the one that appears in the offer. When you have done this, click here to change the text to title. When you have done this, click on the bold and also on align to put the title at the center. So after we are done with the title, the next thing to do is for us to write 1 or 2 paragraphs of a convincing message which our viewers is going to read and be more convinced to click on our affiliate link. For us to write this simple convincing message, we go to this site called write.me. Create account if you do not have one, then come to this particular left hand side and make these settings. First you keep this box in English, then here you keep to convincing, then at this particular box you put it at email. Then you go back to your landing page and copy the title you already put there and come here and paste in this box and click write. You can make it up to 3 paragraphs so that you can choose any one. Then when it's finished writing, you read what you've written, then choose the one that clearly defines the message you're trying to pass, copy it, and go back to your landing page. Then make some changes by removing some of the message that you don't want and put the right ones that suit your taste. Then adjust it to be at the right hand side. Then double click again on the page to add image. There is 3 ways for you to add the image to this landing page. 1 is for you to design an image in Canva and upload here. 2 is for you to go online and search for a similar image to the offer you are promoting and upload. And 3 is for you to open the offer, click on the image link, copy it, come here and click on the link, insert, and the image will appear here. So in this particular demo, I'm going to go online and just search for image similar to the offer we are promoting. So I will download this image that says win iPhone 13 Pro, and I will click on the upload here for me to upload the image here. Once I upload the image, I have to adjust it for it to suit my design. Then the next thing is for you to double click below the image for you to add text. Here you add your call to action. So I will use click here to win. So here you have to make it big, make it visible, change the color so that it will be visible. When you've done this, select your call to action, go back to your CPA grip offer, copy your affiliate link, come here, click on add link, then add your affiliate link. When you have done this, then go to color, change the color of your call to action so that it will be visible. Then you come back to this particular message you wrote here, then check for all the places where you have anything similar to link, highlight and add your affiliate link there. Probably change the color also, and also make it bold so that it stands out, so that once the viewer is reading, he can click on any of these places and it will also get to your affiliate link so that it will perform the action and you will make money. So when you are done with editing and beautifying your landing page and adding the links where necessary, then the next thing is for you to click here to publish. When you click on publish, then add the name of your site, which is finding something similar to the offer you're promoting. So in this particular demo, I'll use win iPhone 13 Pro this Xmas. Just find anything similar to what you're promoting. That will be the name of your site. So when you've done that, click on publish and you come to this particular place, click this button to get your site link. Now we are done with building our landing page. So the next thing for us to do is go to Google and search for a website called SweepGrab. When you get this website, open the website, then with your email address, register an account. In this website, this is where we are going to submit our CPA offer, and this particular web is going to promote our offer, take it to the people that we would want them to click on our offers, and we will make money. Just like you can see here, there's a lot of similar of what we are going to do. Just look at the page of this website. You see from here to down over how many pages people are submitting, and they are making good money from this website. So let me show you how you can submit yours and start making money right now. So you come to this place, you click on submit. This will bring you to this form where you have to fill in. So in this form, the first thing you have to fill in here is the title, sweepstake title. So here you have to put a title that is also more convincing. So I will use like, this is better than Black Friday, win iPhone 13 Pro. So here that is said link to entry form, you just copy the link of your website. You know, we just finished building our landing page. That link you copied, which is your landing page address, paste it here. Then the next thing is price value. So you just put an advertising price, which is maybe $1,000. Then category, we are promoting an electronic. So a phone is an electronic, so you click the drop down button and select depending on the affiliate program you're promoting. So in this case, we are promoting phone, which is an electronic, so I select electronics. Then date, just choose the duration you want them to advertise this campaign for you. So maybe you put from now to January. This is December, you can do to January, so I did from now to January. Then eligibility, this is very important. This is very, very important. Eligibility means you have to now know the affiliate link we are promoting are for which people. They are for New Zealand. So in this particular place, you check for the country where you are promoting it to. Here we have New Zealand, so I put New Zealand. Then the next option, which is exclusions, is optional, so you can leave it. Then after that is age limit, so you put 16 and above or 18 and above. Then entry limit, just single entry, because you know one person can only do one for you, so just make it single entry. Then the next is company name. So just find any name, this company name, check for any website that do any electronic, just put any company name here. Then this price description. So in this price description is optional but better, just the message we draft in the landing page, that little message we draft in the landing page, copy it and paste here. Then the next in choose image for your program. So the image you already did for your landing page, click and upload the same image here. And the next thing is you have to come down here and say submit giveaway, just like I did now. And you saw now they told me I submit. Now you see they told me it will be up in within 24 hours or 48 hours. They are going to put it in their site and they start promoting it. And this is how you can do and start making money. You can see this video is simple, and all of the things we use to do this video, they are all free. This particular website we just did SweepGrab, it has paid plan, but what we did now is free plan. If you want to go for the paid plan, this is now all your choice. So if you love what you just watched, or if you did derive any value from this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell, so that the next time I drop a video, you will be the first to see and apply the techniques I'm going to teach next. Thank you and remain blessed.